the eye line, where the next line is the eyebrow. The eyebrow comes somewhere here, so just use this line to represent. Welcome to the first lesson of Art and Design Studio, Session 2. Lesson 1. In our previous lesson, we learned about the method of producing artworks and the tools involved. Today's lesson is about art media. Look at the clothes you are wearing, the phone or the laptop you are watching me on, and even the wooden stool in your kitchen. So everything around us started as a material. But in the world of art, we call these media. Today we are going to discover how to tell the difference between what nature gives us and what humans have invented. I'll also give you drawing tips at the end of the lesson. I also have examination questions in the description box. There is a link there. Click on the link and I'll give you access to the questions. So let's dive in. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define art media, distinguish between natural media and man-made or synthetic media, and identify various art media found within the local Ghanaian environment. Now, look around your home or school. Have you ever wondered why a wooden stool feels different from a plastic chair? Today, we start our journey into materials artists use to produce their works. Art media is a collective term for tools, materials, equipment, and techniques that artists use to make their artworks or to create their artworks. Let's look at drawing media or medium. So media means a lot of them, whilst medium means single, one. So drawing media includes pencil, pen, ink, wood, wall, markers, charcoal. In fact, we have a lot of them. Painting media. We have oil paint, acrylic paint, poster colors, watercolors, papers, canvas, wall, wood, easel, gouache, tempera, etc. Sculpture media. Some of the media used to produce sculpture includes we have clay, stone, metal, fiberglass, found objects, and papers. Printmaking media. Some printmaking media includes copper etching, wood cast, lithography, screen printing, press paper, rulers, printing plates, and stencils. Photography. In photography, we have lenses, film, memory card, darkroom chemicals, photo editing softwares, and smartphones are used to produce images that can be regarded as artistic expressions. Digital media. As technology has advanced, digital media has become more and more popular. It uses computer software, tablets, laptops, digital brushes, joysticks, scanners, painting softwares, design instruments to produce artworks. Let's look at collage and mixed media. These combine different materials such as paper, fabrics, pictures, found objects, wood, plastics, paint, and adhesives, which could be brought together to produce a very nice and fantastic artwork. Now the last one of my favorites, performing arts. This type of art entails live performance that combine elements from the theater, dance, music, and other media. The body and voices are used as primary mediums. Now let's look at natural media. These come directly from nature, like clay from the riverbanks and wood from the forest. Next is man-made or synthetic media. These media are produced in factories like acrylic paints, plastics, and glass. They often last longer and have bright artificial colors. Now, let's do this activity. Pause this video. Look at the object around you. Write down 3 natural and 3 man-made materials you see right now. Now your assignment. Obviously, there's always an assignment. Go to your community and find an artist. This can be a caver, a weaver, a painter, a graphic designer. List the natural materials they use in their artworks. Hey, our friends, we are going to learn how to draw the human head, the frontal view of the human head. So let's get started. So make sure when you start, you just draw a circle, and this circle should be faint because they are just guiding you for you to draw the head. So you draw a circle like this. Please don't use a compass for this. Some people like using compasses. And then you draw another circle, but this time it should be a bit smaller than the first one. You start from the middle and draw, not too small, but a bit smaller. You have to see that the first one is what's smaller than the second one. Then we join it this way. So you join the 2 circles from the side like that. And now the next thing is that we are going to divide it into 2 vertically. This way. Now when you are done, we are going to draw the eye line, the nose line, the mouth line. So the eye is going to fall here. So this is the eye line where the eye is going to fall. Then the nose line will also come here. And then the last one is the mouth, will come this way. Alright, so we are going to use boxes to represent the eyes. So you draw a box like that. rectangular box, another one this way. Now make sure that the distance from here and there is almost the same from here to there, to the edge of the face or the way the ear is going to fall. And then we are going to draw the nose line. The nose also come here, box. And then last one is the mouth. The next line is the eye line, where the next line is the eyebrow. The eyebrow comes somewhere here, so just use this line to represent the eyebrow. Now the nose, the next one is the ear, where the ear is going to fall. Now the ear falls between the eyebrow and the tip of the nose. So this is the tip of the nose, so that it will come somewhere here. For the eyebrow, we draw a shape like that. Great. Let's draw neck, something to represent the neck. Great. So now we have the head, nicely done. So we put the hairline here. The hair is going to fall also there. So let's draw the hairline. That's good. Then put some shading there at the neck area. I'm going to learn how to draw the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ear. So I put all of them inside the head. So let me do it again. I said first you draw a circle, then draw another one from here, a smaller one, not too small, and then you join them this way from the side. You divide them into two. You draw the eye line from here, the nose line, and then the mouth line. Then we are going to use boxes to represent them, rectangular boxes, and then the eyebrow line, and then the ear. So I said the ear falls between the eyebrow and the tip of the nose. Very simple. And now the hairline. So in our next lesson, we are going to draw the eyes. Learn how to draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and the ear. All of them inside. So this is the frontal view of the human head. We also learn the side view and the rest. Remember to like, share, comment yes if you understand. And then I said I have exam question on each lesson in the description box. There's a link in the description box. You have to click on it. I'll send you the questions so that you can practice. So this is your online art and design studio teacher. I'm Jason Appa and I'm out.